In this video, we're going to look at 8 reasons to have the ULANZI SK-04 tripod, which by the way also comes with a carry bag, phone mount, couple of screws, a remote shutter, and a manual. Let's review this tripod in the park. Reason 1, it barely weighs anything, only 1 pound 8.4 ounces. Reason 2, in the closed position, it's only about 13 inches across. Reason 3, you could adjust the legs to different height levels. The legs are currently on height level 1.
As you can see, look at this is how you adjust it.
Pull down the tab and pull leg, and right now it's on height level 2. And now, that's height level 3, which is the lowest it goes.
And do it to all of them.
When all legs are height level 3, this is what it looks like.
So that's going to be the lowest.
Now let's measure it with the provided phone mount.
About 15 inches.
To extend the legs even further, you twist the leg and pull out, which shows one section. If you do this a few more times, you'll notice that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 height adjustable sections on each tripod leg. Now, let's measure how tall the tripod is when all legs are extended, including this leg on top, but let's first unlock it like this. And now let's lock it. It turned out to be about 45.5 inches tall. Sorry, this part was blurry, my bad.
Sorry to pause the video, but I need to correct something, guys. So, in the park, I measured it like that. But what I really wanted to do and show you was it actually goes up more like that. Let's look at the measurements right now. It should have read about 58 inches. All right, let's get back to the review.
Another reason to have this tripod is that it already comes with a ball headlock with a 1/4 screw on top. When you mount your phone, you could actually shoot in almost any angle you want. Just loosen this, and now you can make your phone dizzy by moving it 360, left to right, up and down, and vertical mode if you're into that kind of filming. Reason number 5 to have this tripod is that it also gives you an extra spot to attach anything that fits a 1/4 screw, such as another phone clip. If you look really closely to one of the legs, it'll say the words removable monopod. Remove that leg from the tripod by turning it a few times like this. Remove this part and put it in your pocket because you don't want to lose that. Loosen the lock. Remove this leg to extend it to a maximum of 3 sections. Then grab the first leg and attach both of them together to make an awesome looking monopod.
Wow!
Which by the way is almost about 60 inches long. And again, sorry for the blurriness, my bad. Now you can take B-rolls of old leaves and trees that are way taller than you and brag to everyone you went around in circles getting the shot. You could also act and pretend you know what the heck you're doing with the monopod. If you love yourself, you could take a selfie with this monopod. And if you love yourself and your family, take a family selfie. As mentioned earlier, this tripod comes with this remote shutter. My wife, my son, and me tested how far this remote would go. To my surprise, this Bluetooth connection went pretty darn far. We kept on going backwards until we couldn't see our phone flicker anymore. Then I walked forward toward my phone, counting every single step, walking 1 foot in front of the other foot with both my 9-size shoes, and I counted 160 steps. The 8th reason to have this tripod is that you could do upside down shooting. If you haven't already, take this part out, loosen the lock, then take this part and insert it upside down to get the lowest angle shot possible. Adjust the height to your liking, tighten the lock, insert your phone in the phone clamp, and you're ready to do some epic ground shots like this one. And this one. If you want this tripod for yourself, there's links in the description below. If you want to see other ULANZI reviews, click a video on the screen. Until then, I'll see you at the next item.